Great Barrier Reef, Heaven in Australia, Part 1. Sea Change Beachfront Apartments. Experience world-class service at Sea Change Beachfront Apartments. Sea Change Beachfront Apartments is situated on Trinity Beach, just 15 minutes north of Cairns. It offers luxurious 5-star apartments with breathtaking views of the Coral Sea from each private balcony. Guests enjoy free Wi-Fi and free on-site parking. Each spacious apartment features a spa bath and a fully equipped kitchen with an espresso coffee machine. There is a separate dining and lounge area with an LCD TV offering 65 channels. Laundry facilities are provided. Guests can relax in the outdoor swimming pool or covered spa pool, surrounded by tropical landscaped gardens. Sea Change also offers a tour desk, a barbecue area, and a library of DVDs and books. Free secure parking is provided. Popular tours to the Great Barrier Reef, Daintree Rainforest, Kuranda Skyrail, and other activities depart from Trinity Beach daily. There are many restaurants, cafes, and other shops within walking distance. I appreciate your time and interest in this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel so you can see more content like it in the future.